In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the age group demographics in your Google Ads campaigns. Whether you're looking to reach a younger audience or target older age groups, adjusting these settings can make a significant difference in the performance and reach of your ads. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you get the desired demographic outcomes. First, you want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your advertising campaigns. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. Click it to log into your account. Make sure you have access to the Google account that you use to manage your advertisements. Otherwise, you won't be able to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. Familiarize yourself with this interface as it provides lots of valuable data and options related to your ads. Now think about which specific campaign you want to adjust. Look for and click on the campaign option. It's usually pretty straightforward to find, typically at the left-hand column on your dashboard. This will bring up a list of your current campaigns. Next, you need to focus on the Audiences section. Click on Audiences to open up detailed options regarding who sees your ads. This area is crucial because it allows you to hone in on the specific segments of people you wish to target based on age, gender, parental status, and more. Now look for a button or link that says Edit Demographics. This feature lets you modify the age groups that your campaign is currently targeting. At this point, the system may prompt you to select an ad group within your campaign. This step is necessary because demographic changes are often made at the ad group level, allowing you to customize different ad sets according to various strategies. Once you've selected the appropriate ad group, you can proceed to adjust the age settings. Clicking on Ad Group will display a list of ages or groups of ages. You can choose to target specific age ranges by selecting or deselecting the given options. It all depends on the objectives of your marketing campaign. With these changes, you'll effectively refine the audience receiving your messaging, potentially improving return on investment by engaging more relevant users. Once you've made your selections and are satisfied, be sure to save your changes. Review your settings to confirm everything is accurate and suits your strategy. That's it. By following these simple steps, you've not only altered the demographic reach of your Google Ads campaign, but also enhanced its precision and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through changing the age groups in your Google Ads. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your online advertising efforts.